I've been using the Ready Deutsch connectors on a lot of my projects lately, and I was using the middle size here, the DT of the DT series, which is their standard size for 14 through 20 gauge wire. And I finally ran into a problem where I was using 22 gauge wire. So when you're using the 22 gauge wire, you need to switch to the DTM, the mini. That's what the M stands for, DTM. And if you're going to go with 12 gauge, you got to use the DTP. So we have the DTP 12 gauge for power, the DT series standard, which is the 14 through 20, and then the DTM, the mini, for 22 gauge wire. And they work really well when you're using the right sizes. So that's the key to this whole thing. You can kind of see the difference in the sizes here. The mini series, the standard DTs, and the DTPs. Quite a bit of difference in the size. I also was using the tool aid crimp tools, and I found out I had to buy another one just for the minis. So I ended up with 3 tools. JR Ready sells one tool that does them all, and you would probably save some money and have a lot better tool if you went ahead and used their tool. So if you're interested in the JR Ready Deutsch connectors, highly recommend them. Just pay attention to what size you're buying, and you'll be real happy with them.